Hi, this is Cherie with Rehash Fiber. Today we're going to spin art yarn. All right, I have these really fun dyed locks from Twin Mommy Creations. And my only situation is I do not have a wheel with a large orifice. So I have to keep my art yarn kind of small. Okay, so I didn't know where to start, and I checked with Leah and Elfie on Instagram. They spin art yarn all the time. It's a mother-daughter team. So Leah gave me some tips on what I could do, and I tried a couple, and the drop spindle wasn't working for me. So I am using an e-spinner, and I'm just keeping everything small so it can go through the regular orifice. Okay, then I'm gonna apply it with some very fine finger weight yarn that I have. I haven't decided on which color to apply it with. I've got these fun colors and these fun locks. So right now, I'm just gonna show you how to spin it, and then we'll go on to the applying. To work with locks and create art yarn, it's good to have everything prepared and ready to go to be spun in. I've already done a little bit here just to see how it would work, but I'm gonna show you now how I try to keep it small but allow some of these locks to twist in, but leave some hanging out to make it fun. I have the Ashford e-spinner on a very low speed so it doesn't over twist, and so I can be in control. We're doing an S twist today. I'd happened to start doing it on the S twist, so we just kept it that way. So here we go, just putting locks in and letting them be kind of crazy. I'm trying to keep it from not getting too thick so it will still go through my small orifice. And not hold on to it too long so it doesn't over twist.
So we'll show you here just a little bit of how it's coming together, but you get the idea. You just kind of split it, add the next lock, and spin it in.
All right, it's time to apply it. I chose a thin finger weight orange. So far, so good.
And here's a close-up for you of the finished product. And there you have it. Thanks for watching.